Okay students, today the chapter which we are going to discuss is ionic equilibrium. This is one of the most important chapters and little bit difficult also, right? This is a bit higher step of chemical equilibrium. So if you want to understand ionic equilibrium, you must have revised all the concepts of chemical equilibrium perfectly. Now, ionic equilibrium. The most important concept in ionic equilibrium is of pH. This is also called by some as power of hydrogen, and the term pH was given by a scientist known as Sorensen. He said that pH is equal to minus log of activity of H plus ions. Now, in case of dilute solutions, activity can be comfortably taken as equal to concentration of H plus ions. So, this formula under normal conditions changes as that pH equal to minus log of H plus ion concentration of a solution. And remember, once we are talking pH of a particular solution, then this H plus ion concentration has to be total H plus ion concentration solution present in the solution. So, better we write here itself minus log of H plus ion concentration total, right. We start with one small example here. Suppose you are given that find the pH of 10 to power minus 2 molar HCl solution. Now, we have to find the pH of 10 to power minus 2 molar HCl solution. Here what happens, HCl, because of being a strong electrolyte, dissociates completely to give H plus and Cl minus ions. So, we get here HCl giving you H plus and Cl minus ions. Now, if you have 10 to power minus 2 molar HCl, which is given here in the question, then this will dissociate completely to give you H plus ion and Cl minus ion. 1 mole of HCl gives you 1 mole of H plus, 1 mole of Cl minus. So, 10 to power minus 2 will give you 10 to power minus 2 molar H plus ion and 10 to power minus 2 molar Cl minus ion, right. Now, as per the given formula of pH, we substitute it here, and this becomes that pH equal to minus log of H plus ion concentration, which in this particular case will be 10 to power minus 2. So, we get it as equal to pH as 2. So, pH of a 10 to power minus 2 molar HCl solution will be 2 here. See, this example looks very simple, and the case is actually this is simple also, but we can get complicated cases for this, like they may ask you that find pH of 10 to power minus 8 molar HCl solution. Now, the logical answer which the student gives usually immediately after checking this, that minus log of 10 to power minus 8, so it will become 8. But actually there is a pH scale which we get here, and if we say that that pH of HCl solution will be 8, then this becomes impossible. Why? Because if at 25 degrees Celsius pH is more than 7, the solution is said to be basic. HCl, because of being an acid, this is impossible that we can have a basic solution for an acid. So, we now will understand the equilibrium of pure water at 25 degrees Celsius first. After that, we will come back to this problem here, and then we are going to solve it.